Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard. Remove the battery if present so nothing powers the switch. Once done, check the keycap visually. Look for crumbs, hair, or a broken stem. That tells you whether this is cleaning versus replacement. Make sure to test the switch electronically before further disassembly using an on-screen keyboard or device diagnostics, so you know if the problem is mechanical or electrical. This saves time and prevents unnecessary part swaps. You gently pry the keycap straight up with a plastic tool. Avoid metal tools that can crack the cap or housing. Once removed, blow compressed air to dislodge loose debris. Then swab around the switch with 90% isopropyl on a cotton tip to dissolve grime. This restores contact and frees sticky stems. Make sure to check stabilizers on large keys and the switch stem for wear. If you see broken clips or corrosion, replace or lubricate the parts to restore smooth action and reliable. You press the keycap back onto the stem until it snaps into place, then power the device and test the key in the operating system to confirm responsiveness. If the key still fails, swap the keycap with a working one to isolate the problem. Next, test the switch or the keyboard matrix. If the switch is faulty, replace the switch or the key module. If the issue is electrical, clean contact pads, consider reflowing cold solder joints and always retest. If unsure, seek a replacement module or technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.